Good. Keep that foot on the brake so you know you can slow down. Good job. And find somewhere to change direction across the middle, okay? So cut across and then go all the way over and then turn to the right. Now turn to the right. Yeah, good job. Not too sharp so you don't flip. Good. A little bit faster. Build your power. Good, Ethan. Fantastic. You feel pretty good?
Yeah.
Awesome. You're doing great. Okay, come over to me and stop. I want you to practice that, okay? So come right over to me and stop without crashing into me. That's all right. No big deal. Turn away from it. It's okay. You're fine. Just turn a little bit away from it. Yeah, to the left. Good. A little bit more to the left. You're fine. Now accelerate slowly. Good. Off you go. Good job. Okay, come back to me and stop before you crash into me. And say a few words to the kind people at YouTube.
This is on YouTube?
It's gonna be. You can say hi to your mom.
I'm gonna accelerate.
You're gonna accelerate?
Maybe.
Don't you have anything to say about your new quad? Your
Yeah. It's a Suzuki.
It's a
Bye.
Suzuki, baby. It's a Suzuki 80.
Bye.
Bye.